Hi everybody, we're going to do some at-home science today, and I was expecting Virginia. She's supposed to be here.
Oh, you asked for me? Oh, can you hold this for a minute? Let me get a couple things we need. A Lego figure, whatever kind you want, and a rock to keep it stable. So let's put, it's okay. I'll get it. You always need something to keep a balloon stable.
That's right.
I'll put it on the side.
Okay, so, who is this Lego figure, Virginia?
This is Sophie.
Sophie, so what we want to do...
Sophie is so ready. I'll
Yes.
put the bow in her hair.
We need to make Sophie fly. And we have a balloon left over from Virginia's birthday. There's another one over there too. Anyway, the helium is starting to leave this balloon. They always do, it just takes time. This
is my last balloon on it, but we might tie it back.
Yeah, so it's taken like 2 weeks. So what we want to do is we want this balloon to carry Sophie. Sophie, carry her up so she can fly like a fairy. So if I let go of this balloon right now, it'll fly away. I got it. It'll fly away because it's nice and light. However, if we put Sophie in there,
it would be heavier.
So you can see that Sophie is weighing the balloon down. All right. So what we need.
Walk.
Right, so what we need is a way to make this more buoyant. So we're going to use a heat gun.
I might go away for this because it's dangerous for kids. So I'll just bring the walk in the balloon.
And she's right. This is like a very, very hot hairdryer. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to start heating up this balloon. I'm making circles. And as I do that, the gas, helium, inside this balloon is gaining energy. Its temperature is increasing. And so the particles are sort of spreading out. And that's called Charles' law of gases. So the more it spreads out, the more space it takes up. Okay? So the more space it takes up, the less dense it becomes. So this gas is becoming less dense. And Virginia, I think we're ready. There she goes. And as the balloon starts to cool down, there it goes.
Ow.
Thanks for joining us. You can do some neat experiments with this. You can figure out how many Lego characters you can set up there, or what other things, like maybe a little cup with some water or pennies in it. But do be very careful with the heat gun. A nice hot hair dryer should also do the trick, but be careful with that too, because it's actually quite easy to put too much heat on those balloons and make them red. Thank you. Say goodbye, guys.